again. It's only Feb. Need the sun cream, us Brits aren't used to it. So yeah, I'm out in a very random part of Barcelona. As you can see, it's not the scenic Barcelona that you picture probably in your mind. You may, well, where I'm walking to, you may see when you arrive to Barcelona and take a cab or bus from the airport. Keep an eye out to the right along the motorway. There's a very interesting kind of big old concrete area covered in graffiti, and it caught my eye on the bus. This sort of disused area, looks like an old water lagoon or sewer. So I've had to trek through ugly industrial parts of Barcelona, walked along, luckily there's a pathway along the motorway, and found this wasteland here, which hopefully should lead to the concrete bit. How's this look? Wow. I can hear the electricity buzz from the cables above me. Okay, it's smaller than what I thought it'd be from the bus. Maybe not worth the 50-minute walk I've done, but it's still another random weird part of Barcelona. Let's descend down. For some reason I thought that'd be slippy. Don't know, wonder if this fills up more. I guess with rain and stuff, yes. Obviously I think something comes out of here. AC/DC. Never been into them. Fancy a swim? Jesus. Oh. Wow, this weather's ridiculous. Like a UK summer. Glad I got some water on me. I usually bloody don't have any. Let's get in the shade.